And action. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making two-strand twist with cornrows at the front. Keep watching. As you can see, I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, but before we get into it, let's see the products I'm going to use. We have shea butter, palm kernel oil, my combs, white tooth comb and rattle comb, beads, rubber bands, and scrunchies. These are the products I'll be using for this hairstyle. So now I'm going to start parting the hair. I'm going to start from the side. It was at this point I realized that it's a bit cumbersome to work with everything, so I decided to use my hands to divide the hair into unequal parts. The one at the front being smaller than what was at the back. It's not straight, it's not perfect. The pattern is not, because I can't see exactly what I'm doing, but I'm just still going ahead with it. With my hair, I don't strive for perfection. Being able to make my hair by myself is an achievement in itself, so I don't stress. Anyways, I'm going to pack the hair at the back so I can be able to work with the one at the front. So I've successfully parted a little portion at the side to use. So I'm going to go ahead and braid up this other part so I could focus on the one at the side. So first I detangled the hair, and then I go in with my shea butter, and last is the palm kernel oil. So the direction for the first piece is different. It's not going to be braided backwards, it's going to be braided forward, right? So I can't start it from this side, I'm going to start it from the other side. There's a way you're going to position your hand for you to be able to do it. It's not that difficult if you can make cornrows. Now that we've gotten to the end of the cornrow and I'm braiding it, I don't know if you can see, it's like reverse braiding because I braided it myself and I'm braiding it the other way. It was at this moment she knew she messed up. I was supposed to do the sides as twist. It was at this point I realized I was already doing it as braids, so I just decided to run with it. A little length check. Just unraveled the hair and repeated the same process. As you can see, I'm majorly using my hands to part the hair. I would say that's how I do my hair most of the times. It just works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel this part and part the side I'm going to use for the first cornrows. What I just parted is not that straight. To be honest, everything I did at the front part, I later did it again because it wasn't that neat. So I just went in with my shea butter. I'm going in with palm kernel oil, and then with detangling, right? Now, like the first one that I braided forward, I'm going to braid this one backwards. When I got to the end of the cornrow, I divided it into two to use for my two-strand twist. With two-strand twist, if you've never done it before, it's just like twisting a rope. There's no technique to it, just twist. Your hair is already coily, so it's automatically going to lock in, sort of. So that's what I just did here. So I continued the rest of the hair off camera, and this is what it looks like. So just trying to show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's very rough. There's a saying that there is perfection in imperfection. I don't know if this is a testament to that saying, but there is a such saying. Anyways, as I said earlier, I did the front part again because it was looking too rough. You see it at the ending. But right now I'm just dividing parting the hair rather for the last two cornrows. Now I'm unraveling the hair at the back to start the two-strand twists proper. I'm using the rattle comb to part the hair horizontally straight from the first end to the second end. And when I was done, I packed the other part so as to reduce obstruction. So I went ahead to moisturize the hair and went in with my fingers to part the hair vertically. With my fingers, it's easier for me to do as I can't really see what I'm doing, so there's no use stressing with the rattle comb. From my hands, you can see I'm starting out with a braid. Then I'm going to take that for about half an inch before I go in with two strands twist. I just want it to also follow with the little cornrow braid I did at the side. Now a little length check. My hair has grown. Oh. So I continue the same process, parting the hair with my fingers, starting off with a cornrow and finishing up with two strand twist. And in total, the first row had 3 twists. I did the rest off camera as you can see. Can you see how it has shrunken? What? So I just have to twist left. That's all before I go in with beading the hair. And now that I'm done, I just rubbed some shea butter and palm kernel oil on my palm and rubbed it in on my hair to give it some shine. So yeah, I changed location because inside the house is already getting too dark, so you might not be able to see what I was doing. Now these are the beads I'm going to use. Then the rubber bands. And lastly, the bobby pin. Just pay close attention to what I'm doing if you've never beaded your natural hair before. You pick a strand of hair, you put the bobby pin like this, take the bead, pass it through it, hold the hand, you can see it right, like that, and then you take the rubber band and you twist. I don't have pure black rubber band, that's why I use this one. So now if you're thinking, oh, what if the bead is so small that the bobby pin can't pass through? I have another method for you. Please pay close attention. You can see as I put the bobby pin in, I used my hand to unravel the hair, removed the bobby pin from the top, and then whilst holding the tip so it won't, remove. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to explain, but yeah, you could watch it again just to get what I did. Now I'm just beading the last piece of hem. I don't know if you can see the cornrows at the front, that they are looking neater than how it was when I first did it. As I said earlier, I redid the cornrows just so they can look better. Anyways, guys, so this is the final look. Hope you guys like it. Yeah. So I went ahead to tie it with a scarf because I realized that the hair was not laying properly. So I had to tie it to the scarf so it could lay properly. Anyhow, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.